Good day, everyone. Have you ever felt comfort with someone stood by you in your hardest moment? And that is compassion. I will share how guide us in caring for people, our environment, and our community at Pan Pacific University. What is compassion? Compassion is more than feeling sorry. It's feeling others and acting easy as their pain. For others, we show compassion by respecting everyone's dignity, being patient and kind, and help without asking from coming back. For the environment, compassion is shown in how we treat nature, reducing waste, saving energy, planting tree, or when we protect creation, we also protect people's future. Communical discernment. This is listening, reflection, and deciding pace. This could mean making choices that support inclusive mental health or eco-friendly projects. Globally, it means working together as a nation to fight poverty, inequality, and climate change. Compassion is not just a feeling, it is an action, and if we live daily and practice communal discernment, we can make our world and kinder healthier and helpful.